Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Android X and material components are in your Gradle files, then open the project. Once done, navigate to res/values/colors. XML and themes. XML, you will declare the color values there. Now pick whether you'll change the classic action bar, a toolbar, or the material top app bar. This choice dictates the next steps. For speed, use a toolbar in your layout if you want full control. Otherwise, adjust the theme's color primary to affect the native action bar. Next, declare the exact colors in colors. XML with clear names like color primary and color on primary because themes reference them. Then open themes. XML and set color primary and color primary variant to those color resources. Make sure your app theme extends theme. Material components or theme, material components. Dark action bar so material attributes apply. Once you change the theme values, rebuild the app. If you use a toolbar in layout, set the toolbar's background attribute to adder/color primary so the toolbar inherits the theme correctly. Finally, update layouts or code. If you placed a toolbar, set Android background equals adder/color primary or call toolbar. Set background color context compat. Get color this R color primary. Once applied, run the app and confirm the action bar color changed. If you don't see it, invalidate caches and restart Android Studio, then rebuild. Also check for hard-coded background attributes that override the theme. One key troubleshooting tip: verify dark mode and API-specific themes. Ensure color on primary provides sufficient contrast so icons remain visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.